If you want to help your baby enter or engage into the pelvis, there's two main movement patterns that you need to be able to do. First is going to be external rotation of the femurs or wide leg positions. It's going to create space side to side in the top of the pelvis. The second movement is going to be a posterior pelvic tilt or tucking the butt underneath. This is going to create more space front to back in the pelvis. The combination of those two movements is going to create more space in the pelvic inlet to make more room for your baby to enter or engage into the pelvis. So during pregnancy, you can do movements like squats to focus more on that external rotation of the femur. You can also do movements where you sit and spend time at the bottom of the squat, pushing the knees out to emphasize more of that external rotation of the femurs as well. To help you find more of that tucked butt position or that posterior pelvic tilt, we can do exercises to release tension that might be pulling us into that more extended position, such as a hip flexor stretch, a quad stretch, and then also stretches that release the lats. If you want more exercises, join our online prenatal fitness programs so you can prepare to open your pelvis for birth for an easier labor.